The world of electronic design automation tools is complex, and staying ahead is not just a goal. It's a necessity to ensure meeting your project deadlines while eliminating any pitfalls in your design flow. Introducing Managed EDA, your key to unlocking unparalleled efficiency in the creation and maintenance of your design environment. Our team of experienced professionals specializes in the complete remote setup of your EDA tools design environment, so you can focus on what you do best: design innovative IC devices. We handle the intricate details, ensuring a seamless PDK installation and a rigorous testing of the design flow. You no longer burn time reading installation manuals and figuring out compatibility issues. Say goodbye to interruptions because of manual updates. With Managed EDA, enjoy permission-based proactive remote updates, keeping your design environment working smoothly. Streamline your design process, seamless remote setup, expert PDK installation, and proactive updates, eliminating manual hassles for optimal electronic design automation tool efficiency. EDA Solutions Managed EDA. It's like having your own genie with unlimited wishes.